Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the object to become the link. Click the text box, shape, or image. Once selected, you need a clear destination, a specific slide number, a saved file, a web URL, or an email address. Make sure the target exists and the path is correct, because broken links are the most common issue. If linking to a local file, keep it in the same folder as the presentation for portability. Now open the Insert menu to add the hyperlink. Once the Insert menu is open, choose Link or press Ctrl+K to bring up the hyperlink dialog. You'll see options: this document to jump to a slide, existing file to open a document, web page for a URL, and email to compose a message. Select the type, pick the exact slide or browse to the file, then set display text and add a screen tip so viewers know what happens. Make sure the path and slide number are correct before confirming. You finish by testing every link in slideshow mode. Click them exactly as your audience will. If a link fails, first check if you used absolute versus relative paths and confirm file names and extensions. Capitalization can matter on some systems. Once done, consider embedding the file or switching to a cloud URL to avoid broken links when sharing. If links still fail, recreate them after moving files and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.